cute unicorn. First, draw the eye. Draw a circle. Then, draw some blush. Draw this lightly. Then go a little further and draw a shape similar to this. And like that. Now draw the hair. Like that, and draw the horn, and draw nails like this inside the horn. Now draw a ear like this. I'm gonna make this part a little more smaller, and this part a little more shorter. And just draw a light line and draw a circle inside it. Now draw some hair. Then draw a shape like that. That hair is done. Now let's draw the first leg. Draw a shape like this. Draw some star shapes or diamond shapes like this. Some are smaller and some are bigger. And draw some plus. Now we can fine line it. I will fine line this and I will be right back. I have finished fine lining. Before we start coloring, I'm going to use my pencil and draw a similar shape inside the tail. I will fine line this. Now we can color it. First I'm going to take orange and color in two sections of the horn, unicorn horn. Now I will use a yellow and color in the rest. Like that. Now I will use a light ultramarine to color in these diamond shapes. Next, take a magenta. If you have a pink, take the pink and just put some light color on it. If you have a pink, don't do this step. I'm just going to put a white. Color in the blush right there. Color very lightly with your pink or your magenta. I'm going to use the white again to make it smoother. Use your white pencil to avoid scratchiness. Just put a layer of it down and color the color which you want to color. Now take a light brown and put a light layer of it on this part. Now a lighter brown and put a layer of it here and also here. And I'm also using the other one which we colored in here. And for this leg, I'm using a warm grey too. Just color the edges. Like that. Now these lines, just put a light layer of them here. I forgot to add a line like this. And I'm also going to color this here. Also little bit on the bottom and here. Also on some on the head, this part. Now use the magenta again and just put the light down there. Now use a yellow and color in these portions of the legs. And the drawing is done. See you until next time. Bye.